Welcome to Easy Economics. I am making this video for inter first year students. Subject is economics, and in this video I am explaining the short answer questions, important SAQs, 5 marks questions. Chapter wise I had given the questions for the coming public examination. Already in the previous video I had given the weightage. So by observing the weightage, children, please concentrate on the units. So from first unit, 3 SAQs are very important. First one is difference between micro and macroeconomics. While presenting this answer, first you have to write the introduction in 2 lines. What is micro and what is macro? Definition of micro and macro. Later write the differences between 2 of them. Why? Because for the 5 marks question, introduction is compulsory, otherwise you will lose 1 mark. So 6 points are there, differences, right? Present the 6 points also. Next one, types of utility. First, you have to write the meaning to the utility and later write 4 types of utility. Form utility, place utility, time utility and service utility. Next one, characteristics of wants. First, write the definition to this answer and write any 6 characteristics of wants. More than 6 are there, so no need to present all. Write only any 6 characteristics of the wants. 5 are enough, but precautionary motive you have to write present extra one side heading. Okay guys? In this way, by writing the introduction, you have to explain any 6 side headings regarding wants. And next one, children, coming to the unit 2, properties of IC curve. So first, write the introduction, that is what is IC curve. Next, draw the small diagram. Draw the small diagram. On y-axis, y good. And on x-axis, x good. Next, draw the IC curve. So, after that, explain the 4 properties of the IC curve. If you are drawing the diagram, so for this answer you will get 5 marks, children. And next one, assumptions of IC curve. As per this answer also, first write the meaning of the IC curve. Next, draw the small diagram. The diagram will be in small size, not too big, children. So, and later write the assumptions of the IC curve, that is indifference curve. Next guys, coming to the 3rd unit, most important questions, means 4 important questions are there, but 2 are more and more important. So sometimes the 2 will come, otherwise definitely 1 will come from these 2. First one is reasons for negative sloping demand curve. So it is very important question. So first you have to write the regarding exceptional demand curve. You have to write the demand, law of demand, and next have to write the reasons for the negative sloping demand curve. There, law of DMU, substitution effect, income effect, and multiple uses, old and new buyers. 5 side headings are there. After writing the introduction, explain the 5 side headings. And next, children, what are the factors that determine the demand? It is also important question. For this answer, first you have to present the meaning of the demand. What is demand? And later, so many determinants are there. So choose any 6 among all the determinants. Choose any 5 or 6 points. That is price of the commodity, prices of substitutes. Next, income of the consumer, taste and preferences, so and technology, like that, children. Choose any 5 or 6. Don't write all the side headings. Okay. Next, coming to the unit 4, the most important question is relationship between average cost and marginal cost. First, you have to write the introduction to average cost, that is meaning of average cost and marginal cost. Later, draw the diagram. Next, The relation between average cost and marginal cost is having 3 stages. So explain the 3 stages. While drawing the diagram, carefully draw the diagram. Why? Because you will get marks for the diagram only. Most of the marks. Coming to the 5th unit, 2 questions are there. One is compare perfect competition and monopoly. So first write the introduction to 2 lines to monopoly and 2 lines to perfect competition. And next write the differences between 2 of them, any 6 differences. And next, classification of markets. It is important for both 10 marks and 5 marks. So please children concentrate on this answer. You have to write, for 5 marks they will ask that explain the classification of markets based on area and based on time, like that. Few topics they will ask. So what are asked by the examiner, you have to present the concept only. Okay, don't write the total answer. So read the question paper carefully first of all. Okay guys, and next from unit 5 there is a chance to ask the characteristics of perfect competition and characteristics of monopoly also. Already while studying the LAQ you will learn the characteristics of perfect competition and monopoly. That is the reason no need to learn the answers again and again. Already it will be covered in the LAQ. Next, coming to the 6th unit, most important question is determining factors of national income. Okay, national income is decided by, first write the definition to the national income and later 4 side headings are there. Natural resources, quantity and quality of factors of production, technological progress and political will. So explain the 4 side headings. And next, coming to the 7th unit. Very sorry, instead of 6th unit I am explaining about 7th unit. So coming to the 6th unit, first determining factors of real wages. So it is very important children. First write the definition of real wages and later present any 6 points. More than 6 are there. Okay, method of payment and regularity of employment, like that children. So present any 5 or 6. Next, determining factors of national income. 4 are there. Write the definition to the national income. Later, explain the 4 factors that determines the national income. And coming to the 8th unit, these 3 are very important. And there is a chance to ask this question as a LAQ also. Okay. So what are the sources of public revenue? So here the tax and non-tax sources. In taxes also direct and indirect taxes. Non-tax sources, administrative revenue, commercial revenue and loans and advances, grants in aid. So children totally learn this answer. It is useful for both LAQ and SAQ. And next one, redemption methods of public debt. So this one also more than 5 points are there. Learn any 6 points in this answer. Next, list out various items of public expenditure. So it is very easy answer children. Only point wise is there. So 10 to 12 points, 12 to 13 points are there. So after writing the introduction you have to present the 13 sentences also. Okay guys. And next, coming to the next unit, 9th unit, functions of money. Yes, mainly 3 functions are there: primary, secondary and contingent. So sometimes they will ask the primary and secondary functions, sometimes they will ask the contingent functions of the money. That is the reason children, learn the total answer, learn about the 3 types of functions of the money. And next, difficulties of barter system. Okay, learn this answer also. Coming to the 10th unit, learn this question, that is relation between statistics and economics. And next one, characteristics of a good average. And other 2 questions are also there. They are merits and drawbacks of mean, mode, median. There is a chance to ask the questions also. But by learning 4 questions you will get 2. And by learning these 2, either 1 or 2 also will come. That is our luck. That is the reason only I had given 2. Why? Because already there are 19 questions. Okay. So to some of the students it will become difficult to learn all. So these are 2 are the most important questions from that unit. And children, to some of the students to learn 19 answers also will become difficulty. That is the reason already I had given the weightage. So based on weightage, you are able to skip 2 to 3 units also. Okay, so think once and which are hard to you, so skip the units, and which are easy to you, learn the answers. Okay children, and in the next video I will upload the VSAQs with explanation, and coming videos I will explain the diagrams also, how to draw the diagrams, and how to present the answers, how to manage the time. These are all I will explain in the coming videos. Thank you for watching.